In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on YouTube without monetization. What are the other ways by which you can make money on YouTube without ads and those stuff? Stick around. Hey, what's up guys? This is Mani Karthik here. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel because I share some really awesome stuff, but don't do it now. Watch the entire video and decide for yourself. Okay, fun fact. I started this YouTube channel back in some 2007. Ooh, it's been a long way. You know, I was so focused on blogging those days that I just started a YouTube channel only because everyone was doing so and I didn't want someone else to take my username. So I signed up but did nothing about it. And as a matter of fact, I wasn't comfortable showing my face on camera. I was very concerned about how I might look and all that. Fast forward to today, I've gotten serious about YouTube now and have been producing a lot of content fairly regularly. It's actually easy for me to do it now. But guess what? I don't have monetization yet on my channel. It's a fact that I earn good income from my blogs through affiliate marketing, but with YouTube channel, nothing much. Actually, money is not my motivation factor on YouTube. And I don't know if I will make millions of subscribers one day and get the play buttons and everything. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. That doesn't matter actually. What really matters to me is being able to produce content regularly and having an active audience like you guys. Like people like you who watch my videos. As long as you guys are there, I'm happy. Now, having said that, it doesn't mean that I don't make money on YouTube. I do, and here are some ways. Number one is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an amazing way to make money on YouTube. Basically, what this means is that you partner up with someone like a website or a product, then you get unique links or codes through which you should send traffic to those websites. When someone clicks through and makes a purchase from that website, you get a commission. A very popular affiliate website is Amazon. Many YouTubers you actually know are affiliate partners with Amazon, which is the reason why they promote products from Amazon and share their links in the video description. If you click through those links and make a purchase, they get a small commission. That's how it works. Now, you can also apply as an affiliate partner with Amazon and start sharing links to your videos. If people make purchases through your links, you will start earning commissions. Many top YouTubers make more money from affiliate marketing than YouTube ads actually. So if you want to sign up for Amazon, I've shared the links in the description. Do check it out. So the second way I make money from YouTube without ads is through sponsored videos. Sponsored videos are nothing but someone like a product or a brand sponsoring your video or paying you to talk about them in their video. Simple as that. Now, you might be wondering if small YouTubers can actually get sponsored videos or not. Yes, of course. Look at me. I only have about 2,500 subscribers as of today. But one of my most popular videos on this channel is about a personal finance app. And they actually paid me to include them in my recommendations in that video. And they pay you really well actually these days. I personally don't recommend anything and everything. I only recommend products that I personally would use, but that's a personal choice. I know a lot of YouTubers who actually make a lot of money recommending products through every videos of theirs. It's actually a big business. So it actually doesn't matter if you're a small time YouTuber. If I can do it, you can do it too. What actually matters is your content. If you have good content, then people will find you and pay you for doing their videos. That's how I got my personal finance app gig. They actually emailed me seeing my video and my blog and asked me whether I'd be willing to talk about them. And I did. So this actually works for big YouTubers as well as small YouTubers. So if you're someone who's building up your content, stay focused on your content and create good quality stuff. That's what these people are looking for. Okay, that's it guys. Hope you found the video useful. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. I'd be happy to answer them. I have more videos for young beginner YouTubers like you. Check out the playlist on my channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. This is Mani Karthik signing off.